Hey, my name is Nick Anderson, and today I'm going to teach you how to make sure your mastered tracks are not going to be changed by Spotify, Apple Music when they get sent out. We want to make sure things are at the exact right volume for them, and here's how. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is my Logic session. I've got a song in here, and I have mastered it, and I bounced it. So it's bounced, it's out. What do I do now, Nick? Do I just send it to the streaming services and hope it's good? Nope. You're going to pull up your internet browser, and then you're going to go to www.loudnesspenalty.com. Boom. That'll load, and it's so easy. Find out if your music will be turned down by YouTube, Spotify, Tidal, Apple Soundcheck, and more. Discover your music's loudness penalty score for free. So let's grab my song here, and let's just drag and drop it right over to loudnesspenalty.com. You can see it's processing audio but not uploading. Okay, so it looks like I've got a pretty large loudness penalty here. It looks like basically across the board they're going to take it down -8.4. Deezer is going to take it down even more than that. Pandora, -8.6. So you might be saying, like, well, I don't know what to do because iTunes is going to take it down that much. Like, how much do I take it down now? Well, what's most important to you? What's most important to me is Spotify. That's where I have the most amount of streams, so that's where I want to get the least penalty. And the reason we care about Spotify and these places taking the volume down is we don't want them to be reducing it because we don't know what they're using to reduce it or how it will make it sound. It might, give us some sort of artifact in there, some sort of sound that we don't want. It might take away some of the vibe. We want to send it to them with the exact vibe, knowing that our song, when it's uploaded, is going to sound exactly like we sent it to them as. So -8.4 dB is what they're going to do. So that's what I'm going to do too. My stereo out right here, I'm going to bring this down -8.4. Now there's other ways to do this, and this is, I know people are going to probably hate it, like, oh, that's not the best way to do that, but I am just, it's a fast, easy way, and I'm more about, like, how does it sound? Does it still sound good? If it still sounds good, that's fine by me, because that's pretty much what Spotify was going to do anyway, so I'm all about what does it sound like. All right, so now we're going to bounce this again, and we'll re-upload it. So I'll make you watch this bounce here 1 second. Okay, so my track just bounced, so now I'm going to go down here and click Analyze Another File. Now here is the new bounce. I'm going to drag that over. Same thing, it's going to be processing that audio. Okay, so now you can see Spotify is going to give a 0 loudness penalty to it. So exactly how it sounds as I uploaded it, Spotify is going to leave it like that because they were like, Nick, great job. It sounds the perfect volume. So, and then let's say it did, like, still for some reason when I took the dBs down what Spotify was saying, and now it says like +4, or then just go in and change it a little bit, because already you did exactly what it said, like you did the -8.4 and then it still wants +4. Then you just got to inch up and just go back and forth a little bit until you find that perfect spot. It's a bummer when that happens because you don't exactly know the right decibels, but like we showed here, it said -8.4, so I went down -8.4, and then it was good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, please. I've got lots of great content and more to come on Logic, music business, songwriting, all this kinds of stuff. And I've got some cool Logic presets as well. So make sure you subscribe, and here's some other videos you can watch. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I am now in full screen again. So have a fantastic day.